Let's make super healthy, high protein, weight loss quinoa pizza today. Hello and welcome to Dash of Delight. I am Soumya. Take 1 cup of quinoa in a bowl and the very first step is to wash it thoroughly. Washing quinoa at least 2-3 times is extremely important as it contains a saponin coating which is a plant chemical and is very bitter in taste. So please don't forget to rub and wash it properly. Then the second very important step while cooking quinoa is to soak it in water for at least 1 to 2 hours. This is because soaking helps to remove some of the naturally occurring phytic acid content in quinoa, which makes it difficult to digest many a times. So please ensure not to forget either of the two steps. Then take all the quinoa in a blender jar, add few cloves of garlic. This will give a very nice garlicky flavor to quinoa. 1/3 teaspoon of Asafoetida or hing. This is optional, but if possible and if you are not allergic to it, please try adding Asafoetida as it helps improve the digestion by increasing the activity of digestive enzymes in the stomach and small intestine. Then add some salt and a dash of water and make a fine paste out of it. Make sure to make very fine batter. See, like this. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of fruit salt. This is Eno fruit salt which is readily available in any Indian stores, or you can also add a combination of baking soda and baking powder instead of Eno. Add a teaspoon of water to activate it, then quickly mix it in one direction for a couple of minutes. You will see that the batter will become very light and fluffy here itself. Then grease a pan or a tawa with some oil and pour 3 to 4 tablespoons or 2 ladles full of batter. Push it slightly to form a nice round shape. Then simmer the gas and place the lid for a few minutes. Then after 5 minutes, open the lid and check it once. You'll see that it's done from one side and has left the pan also. So flip it over and cover and cook this side as well. Once it is cooked from both the sides, switch off the gas and keep it on a flat surface or in the pan itself and apply some pizza sauce. I am using my homemade pizza sauce. So this is basically my homemade tomato paste with some garlic and oregano. Nothing unhealthy or store-bought. Now top it up with your favorite vegetables. I am adding some onion, tofu, tomato, handful of corn kernels and some grated mozzarella cheese. Now you might be thinking, why cheese when it is a diet or weight loss pizza? So guys, I just want to let you know that cheese is a very good source of protein. It's just that there are some fat content which comes along with it, due to which you can only consume cheese in moderation, like once or twice in a month. So if you want to have this pizza daily, definitely skip the cheese and have it as it is. Alright, then let the cheese melt and the base become crispy for 5 minutes on lowest heat. Then sprinkle your favorite seasonings, cut out the slices and enjoy. Guys, you'll not believe how amazing this quinoa pizza crust comes out to be. So if you liked my recipe, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye.